Presenting the Panasonic 27-liter convection microwave. Bring home the micro chef. This convection microwave is ideal for the baking, grilling, reheating and defrosting needs of a large-size family. With amazing features like auto-cook menu, magic grill and zero oil recipes, this microwave adds convenience to your mealtimes. Choose from a carefully curated 141 preloaded recipes of the auto-cook menu to save time in the kitchen. The Magic Grill feature operates the top grill along with the back grill to sear and cook the food faster without losing flavor or breaking down the appetizing structure of the food. Recreate the magic of popular recipes without using a drop of oil with the help of the zero oil recipes preloaded in the microwave. The Vapour Clean system helps you keep your microwave clean and odor-free, harnessing the cleansing power of water vapor. Place a bowl of water with some lime and press the Vapour Clean button for instant results. The Reheat button heats food fast and evenly, retaining the same taste and flavors of the leftovers from last night's dinner. Thaw food in minutes without spoiling the texture of food with the convenient push of the defrost button. The control panel is a combination of tacked buttons and a sturdy jog dial that is easy to access and use. The minimal LED display of the control panel lets you monitor and track the process for better control over your cooking. The microwave is inspired by Washoku, the Japanese passion for precision.
Panasonic.